Are you wondering why your wallet always feels light? You might be making these budgeting mistakes. We're diving deep into the most common budget blunders that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Stick around, because not only am I going to break down these mistakes, but I'm also going to empower you with the knowledge to fix them. Remember, understanding these trending topics and keywords is key for YouTube ranking, so you can share this valuable information with others. Let's talk about those sneaky little expenses that slip through the cracks. You know, the ones you barely notice but somehow always seem to add up. Daily coffee runs, grabbing lunch on the go, or impulse buys can add up to a significant leak in your budget. These seemingly harmless habits can quietly drain your finances. Think of your money as a bucket of water, and those small expenses as tiny holes. Each little purchase might not seem like much, but together, they can create a big problem. Over time, those tiny drips can drain your bucket completely.